Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing my Boxycharm Premium unboxing, so let's just get started. The theme is Fresh Start. I got this Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask. Now I got an email about this product giving people like giving them like chemical burns or something, so I'm kind of afraid now. This says the Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask. Life's turbulence means we can all get that lag, leaving skin stressed, tired, and thirsty. Used as a nightly mask, daytime moisture, or in-flight lifesaver, this multitasker's nourishing vitamins, ceramides, and antioxidants leave skin instantly renewed, radiant, and ready for anything. This is $48, so hopefully it doesn't do anything to me, but they said just do a patch test to see, and if it does bother you, just stop using it. So, well, I would hope you'd stop using it if you got like a skin irritation, because if you keep using it, you'll only get worse. Anyway, oh, cool. This is the PMD Silver Pure Silver Infused Microfiber Makeup Removing Cloth. Antibacterial, ultra soft, and reusable. Silver infused. Well, if you're a werewolf, that would be a problem. Sorry, I couldn't help myself. It says, get back to your pure self with Silver Pure. Remove makeup and wash your face. No. Remove makeup and wash your skin with the antibacterial and anti-aging benefits of pure silver, ensuring a clean end to your day. Okay. That was $30. For what? This? Is there one in here? This? Okay. Alrighty. $30 for this. Interesting. Hopefully that wasn't expensive.
What did he do?
Okay, next thing is Lashes MD Eyelash Growth Serum. A lash serum that promotes fuller, stronger, and healthier eyelashes and brows. Our signature eyelash conditioner nourishes formula... oh boy. Our signature eyelash conditioner nourishing formula... That doesn't sound right. Is specifically designed to help eyelash growth and support strong lashes. Apply this eyelash enhancer once a day, encouraging longer and healthier lashes. $69.95. Wow. Okie dokie. Next is, I think this is my choice item because there really wasn't much to pick from that I was interested in. This is the Laura Mercier Caviar Stick Eye Color. What should I get? I got Sienna. Creamy eyeshadow stick with 12-hour wear that is crease and transfer resistant for a long-lasting finish. $29. So let's take a look at Sienna. Ooh, it's like a coppery. I like that. No, Blondie, it's not to eat. Blondie looked over like, ooh, caviar? Oh, no. Blondie is my cat, if you didn't know. Next thing I got was the Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Volume Lift and Curl Mascara. Designed to deliver Rihanna's full lash look. Full Frontal's lightweight ultra black formula was specifically paired with an exclusive flat to fat flat to fat brush. The fat side holds maximum product to quickly load and lift lashes. The flat side defines and curls. $24. Okay. And the last thing I got is from Ofra Cosmetics. It is the Good to Go Mini Mix Palette. Ooh. Okay, I'm really happy about this. Looks like, okay. Might have had a small little bumpy ride. Because there's a little bit of, see, right there. But it doesn't look like it's anything bad. Could be excess from when they packaged it, so, isn't that pretty? I love that. So what does it say about it? Ofra Cosmetics Good to Go Mini Mix Palette. Manifest good to glow looks every time in this mini full face palette of warm shimmers and fresh neutrals. Featuring Ofra's best-selling highlighter, All of the Lights, this lightweight, magnetic, and interchangeable palette is the perfect add-on to pop in your makeup bag. It's really pretty. That is very pretty. I like that. So, was that everything? Let's see. I may or may not keep this because the last time I used like a lash enhancer, whatever was in it just irritated my eyes. So I don't know if I even want to try this. So I might pop that into a giveaway or friend mail or something. I don't know. I haven't decided. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. Give us a thumbs up if you like Boxycharm unboxing videos. Subscribe if you have not. We'd love for you to join the fam. And click that bell if you like more notifications from me. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.